Okay, this one was a frustrating issue. The Brio water filter was beeping continuously after I changed all the filters, and I wasn't able to find anything easy to do. And I keep pressing this button here. It says filter reset, but it doesn't work. So the answer to this is, so that you can do this yourself, is to actually press this while plugging in the power. And if you do that, so make sure you press the reset and hold it while you plug in the power, and then after that you'll see that this blinking and beeping will stop immediately. All right, so it was gone, but if I just pressed it and it turns that on, or something happened. Yeah, but anyway, that beeping, that water with the exclamation mark, will disappear and the beeping stops, and everything works as normal right now. All right, so again, one more time, the key is to unplug it, press that button while you plug it in, and everything should work afterwards. Thanks.